let's do a unboxing. The first thing I have is this Rare Beauty body wash. Ooh, let's smell it and feel it. Oh, it's like an exfoliating body wash. It smells really good. Let's get the next item. So we have a sunscreen by Ordinary. Ooh, summer's coming up, so I need all the sunscreen we can get. And then we have a morning cream. Let's test it out. Here we go. It feels really nice. And it smells really nice too. Here's the next item, and this is a brow gel for the brows. Let's open it. That's nice. I like that. Now we have a eyeshadow palette. I like colors like that. And then the last item I have in here, it's an add-on. It's the Glow Recipe pads. I think there's 3 in here. I could do a nighttime routine again. Here's all of my items. Oh no, I don't think I can hold them all. I got this many items. Thank you for watching.